Okay, we're now on chapter 2. So whenever we're dealing with slope, it's going to be pink. Whenever we're dealing with y-intercept, it's going to be blue. Y-intercept is my start. It's my b. So it's right there. What is that? -2. What is that? 5. Look how they relate to each other. Now for slope, I either go up and right or I go down and right. If I went down and right, there'd be nothing there. So I go up and right. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And I go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see 3 over 4. I can't simplify it. All done. So now I'm going to write my equation. Y equals 3 over 4 x minus 2. Okay? Now here is my slope. It is negative. So I'm going to go down and right. Down 2, right 1. Okay? So let me put that right here. Now when I graph, what did I do first? I did my blue. I did my beginning. It's my start. So I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as we said, since the slope is negative, I'm going to go down 2, right 1. Keep going. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Yay, I'm amazing. Connect. Show that it goes forever. All right. Let's see what they want here. Oh, they want the slope. That means they want the pink. All right, pink means a pattern. What's the pattern? +8. What's the pattern? +4. And some of you go, well, how do I know that from -2 to 2 is +4? If we had a number line, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the right. It's positive. Okay? So now who's on top? It's always y over x. So 8 over 4 is 2. That is my slope. Okay? Let's see. This one, they want the equation. If they want the equation, I need two things. I need my slope, and I need my y-intercept. I need my pink and my blue. My blue, right there, it's always with the 0. My pink is my pattern. +5, +5. Wow, I can write the equation. Y equals 5x +6. Okay? The next one, I have to use order of operations, which means first I do parentheses, then I do exponent, then I do multiply, divide, then I do add, subtract. Okay, so the first thing I do, parentheses, nope. Exponents, let me make that a little bit bigger. So that means the first thing I do is I take care of this. 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Times 3 minus 6. I know there's not much space, I'm sorry. So I'm done with the littles, done. Now multiply, divide. I do this next. 3 times 8, 24. 6 minus 24, if you're not sure what to do, use your calculator. 6 minus, let me turn it on. 6 minus 24, there's your -18. Okay? Now, let's do the next one. In the next one, parentheses, nope. Littles, nope. Multiply, divide, yes. So how do I know what to do first? Go left to right. So 20 divided by 4 is 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's zoom it out a little bit so we can see. First thing, parentheses. Parentheses. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 plus 4, 10. Now when we have parentheses, all we got to do is multiply. Okay. All right. So we're going, this is kind of a harder question, but they're asking about miles. So it looks like they want to know miles per hour, and this is feet per minute. Okay. So actually, you know what? I don't care about this one, so I'm going to move on to the next one. All right. They want you to draw the slope, but I don't see a number, so it's a type. So there's 4 types. There's positive, negative, 0, and undefined. Positive goes up, negative goes down, 0 goes across, undefined goes up and down. So they want you to draw a negative slope. So that means they want you to draw something that goes down. Down, down, done. They want a 0 slope. A 0 means it is horizontal. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, we got a whole bunch of equations. So, first we are going to start with Sam. Sam began at the starting line. So if he began at the starting line, that's a 0, and rode at a constant rate of 3 every second. Oh, okay, so 3. So y equals 3x plus 0. You don't actually have to put the 0, but if you want it, great. Okay, let's go to the next one. Chris. Chris got a 5-meter head start, so 5 is my start, and rode 1 meter every 2 seconds. So y equals 1 over 2 x plus 5. Okay. Jen rode 2 every 5. So this is 2 every 5. So let me write that down. Let me lift this up. I'm sorry about that. And got a 13-meter head start. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually fill out this graph. So it looks like we have to label things. Time is always here. So what is the time? Seconds. Life cannot happen without time passing by. And then it looks like they're talking about meters. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now here's the problem with this one. If I go by, I guess I could go by ones here. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so what do? I start with the start, which means here I go up 0. And then Sam, I'm going to go up 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. It's kind of tight here. 1, 2, 3, up 1, up 1. 1, 2, 3, up 1. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. And that is S for Sam. So Sam is done. Now I'm going to go to Chris. I think I put 11. I meant to put, oh, I see. Let's not confuse that. So I start with 5 for Chris. And I'm going to go up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Oops, I didn't do that very well. Up 1, right 2. I don't know if you can tell, but this one isn't going up as quickly, which means Chris is going a lot slower than Sam, which is why Chris got a head start. And then Jen is up 13, so 11, 12, 13, and then she is up 2, right 5. So up 2, right 5, up 2, right 5, and that's J for Jen. Okay? If the race is 18 meters long, who won? Well, so let's see. This is 18. There's 18. Who am I getting first? Boom, Sam. After 30 seconds, how far did Jen get? So they want you to take the 30 for Jen and plug it in. So I'm going to go like that. 2/5 times 30 plus 13. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 13 is 25. If I just put 25, then I'm not good to go. 25 meters. Sorry, my handwriting. Amazing. Okay? All right. So, we've done this before. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I know there's a pattern now. So now I can see the pattern is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, which means there'll be 9 there. And there'll be 1 there. I can get this one right. Woohoo! I drew figure 0. Figure 9. It looks like this is straight across, and this is straight across 1, 1. This is straight across 2, 2. So this will be straight across 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. How do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sure your drawing is a lot better, but hey, it got the job done. Complete the table. So 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Show the pattern. What is the equation? Y equals 2x plus 1. Or, depending on what it might be, because it didn't tell you, it could be t of n equals 2n plus 1. It just matters if they gave you t of n, which they didn't, so either way works. Figure 1, 100, so I'm going to take 100, I'm going to plug it in. 2 times 100 plus 1, 201 tiles. Okay. All right, this is more of what we did in last chapter, so let's do it again. So 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. I have 7 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they're saying take 2 of them away. So now I have 5 left. Okay. This one is saying write it 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 4, 4, 4, I got 12 of these. I got 1, 2, 3 of these. Okay. All right. So this one, 8 divided by 2 is 4. I have 7 x's on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm left with 2 of them on top. My only issue that's a little bit different is this y. Problem is I can't take 2 away because there's not even 2 to take away. So if I put it down here, then it evens it out. Okay? All right? Multiply. 4 times 7 is 28 times 10 to the 3 plus 6 is 9. But if I'm going to write it in scientific notation, it would be 2.8 times 10 to the 10th. Okay. This one I'm dividing. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And if I have 12 on top and 2 on bottom, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I have 2 on the bottom, I take 2 of those away, and I have 10 left. Okay? That's chapter 2. Let's review.